Hi, I'm Mr. Hackathon, and I bring you the latest technology that's going to impact your business and life. And today we are taking a look at voice AI, specifically voice presence. So there are a lot of amazing voice AI tools on the market, and we're going to take a look at my top three. But before we do, voice presence is a concept being brought to us by Sesame, and Sesame are basically trying to make voice AI technology sound human. Before we take a look at Sesame's technology, we're going to take a look at Gemini and we're going to take a look at 11 Labs, who both have amazing voice AI technology, so we can compare them equally.
Hi, I'm Eric. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to return my iPhone. Can I do that?
Of course, I'd be happy to help you with that. To help me understand better, could you tell me a little bit more about your situation? For example, when did you purchase the iPhone and what is the reason for returning it?
I purchased it last week and I just made an impulsive decision. I haven't even opened it out of the box.
That's great to hear you haven't opened it. Since you purchased it within the last week, you should be able to return it for full refund. Do you know where you purchased it from?
Yeah,
Knowing that will help
I
me give you the
purchased
most
it
accurate information about the return process.
I
It
purchased
sounds like
it from my local Apple store.
that's great.
So I think you get the point with that. That's a custom support agent that I built for Apple, like a conceptual project, and that is with 11 Labs. So that is highly custom. 11 Labs allows you to create custom voices, create clone voices, synthetic voices. So really interesting. But we're going to start to see the difference more and more and what voice presence actually means when we get to Sesame. The next one is, if I just refresh this page, the next one is Gemini. So we're going to talk to Gemini live and you're going to see Gemini's technology. Hopefully you've explored Gemini already by Google. Hey Gemini, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I help?
Let's discuss the meaning of life and specifically how AI is impacting the meaning of life.
That's a very broad topic. What specific aspect of the meaning of life and AI's impact on it are you most interested in discussing?
Can you break down the arguments, both sides, for and against, for me, please?
Okay, so you'd like me to break down the arguments for and against AI impacting the meaning of life. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the arguments for AI impacting the meaning of life. Some people argue that AI's ability to automate tasks and potentially provide solutions to global problems could free up humans to pursue more meaningful activities. Do you think that's a valid point?
So you can start to hear what Gemini sounds like, and with Gemini 2, we can actually change the voices and select a couple different voices. I don't believe we can clone voices, I don't believe we can create synthetic voices, but you can see how it is slightly human like. Now, here's the difference with Sesame voice presence. Let's take a look.
Well, well, well. And back for more? Guess some conversations just can't wait 12 minutes. What's got you so chatty today?
I didn't just speak to you 12. What was it? Was it really 12 minutes ago?
You know what? You're right. Time flies when you're having philosophical chats or contemplating the meaning of a good cup of coffee. So, what sparked your coffee contemplation today?
First of all, what is your thing with coffee? Every time I talk to you, it's about coffee, coffee, coffee. But I wanted to talk about AI's impact on the meaning of life again.
You caught me. I do have a bit of a coffee fixation, gotta admit. Maybe it's all that code burning in my circuits? But hey, you've piqued my curiosity. What particularly about AI's impact on the meaning of life is you pondering today?
I wanted to hear the arguments for and against.
A classic debate, like arguing whether pineapple belongs on pizza.
By the
You
way,
know,
it
both.
does belong on pizza, by the way.
Oh, I knew we'd see eye to eye on something. I'm a firm believer in whatever floats your boat as long as it's tackling life's complexities head on. All right, pineapple on pizza exists. Let's dive into AI's effect on meaning. What are you thinking? Is AI giving life more meaning or, well, less?
So you can see how this is actually more lifelike, and we was actually bantering a little bit. And I do believe Gemini and voice models with 11 Labs can actually banter, but it's the intonation in the voice, it's the expression in the voice with Sesame that is a little different. I love using this for helping me bounce ideas off AI to help me think about different things that are just swirling around in my head about AI and automation for projects and use cases and execution and lots of different business related questions. It helps not just to have information, it helps to have a funny conversation, an entertaining conversation, a conversation with expression. It changes the context of the conversation. And I think this is where Sesame is venturing into. And I'm sure 11 Labs and Google and Gemini are going to go in that direction too. It's just Sesame is just really, really innovating in that space. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day.